So students, in the fourth part of the chapter Lifeline of National Economy, as we already discussed the transportation means of lands, roads, rails, and the third one is the pipeline. The second one from water or the hydrosphere, and the third one is from atmosphere. Waterways. First of all, the importance of waterways. It is the cheapest mean of transportation, pollution free also, and most suitable for carrying heavy and bulky goods. The inland navigable waterways is about 14500 kilometer in India. The inland navigable waterways is about 14500 kilometer in India, of which 3700 kilometer navigable by mechanized boats. Let us classify the waterways into two parts. The first one is called the inland waterways, and the second one is called the overseas waterways. In India, we have about 14500 kilometer inland waterways. These waterways are called the national waterways numbers. The major national waterways numbers are national waterways number 1, that is from Allahabad to Haldia in river Ganga. The next national waterway number 2 is from Sadia to Dhubri in river Brahmaputra. National waterway number 3, it is in the west coast canal between the Kollam and Kottayam in Kerala, which is about 168 kilometer long. National waterway number 3 are these are the main national waterways. The rest are Champakara, also in Kerala. It is about 14 kilometer long waterways. The Udyog Mandal, again in Kerala, which is about 22 kilometer long waterways. On the other hand, the overseas are that waterways which are using from one port of a country to other seaport. Here the ship cross above sea, and that is why this is called the overseas waterways. Now let me explain you this through a diagram. National waterways number 1, as you can see here, from Allahabad to Haldia. So the Allahabad is here. From Allahabad, then join river Hooghly here in Haldia. This is called national waterway number 1. Sorry. The next is the national waterway number 2. It starts from Bangladesh here to Assam at Dibru. National waterway number 2. National waterway number 3 goes here in Kerala. There is a network of rivers in Kerala, so some other waterways are also here in Kerala, like the Champaran waterways and the Udyog Mandal canal. So these all are the inland waterways. If we come to the overseas, then we have approximately 181 medium-sized ports and 12 major ports. Now let us discuss the all major ports here by making a diagram of India. After the partition from Pakistan, the whole load of Karachi ports come to Mumbai. So now we need a separate port for northern India, which can handle the pressure of North India. So the government of India make a port here, the number 1 port, this number 1 port, Kandla seaport. It's an international seaport which export and imports and distribute all these goods to northern India, especially Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat and some part of Uttar Pradesh. The next important international airport is this Mumbai seaport. This Mumbai seaport, there is actually 2 seaports in Mumbai. The first one is the Nawa Shahar and the second one is the Jawaharlal Nehru seaport in Mumbai. They both together called the Mumbai International Seaport, one of the biggest and busiest seaport of India. The next one is here, third one. This third one is called the Mam Goa Seaport in Goa near Panji. The fourth international seaport of India is this one in Karnataka region, the Mangalore seaport. The fifth seaport is this one, that is the Kochi seaport at Kerala. Now here is the sixth port called the Tuticorin seaport. This Tuticorin seaport actually divides the western and eastern coast of India. Here this Ram Setu Pak Strait, which is called the Pak Strait, join India to Sri Lanka. This western part is commanded by the Western Navy of India and the eastern part is commanded by the Eastern Navy. The headquarters here is in Visakhapatnam, while the western command headquarters of the Navy is here in Mumbai. This seventh international airport is the Madras Airport, Tamil Nadu. The eighth one here, Vizag or the Visakhapatnam Airport. Now, just north of the Chilka Lake is the ninth port, which is known as the Paradip International Airport. This Paradip International Seaport was made just because of the overload of this Nagpur region. So to export especially the iron and ore to the Japan and other countries, the government of India make this Paradip port. Now the 10th one is here on the bank of river Hooghly, that is the Kolkata port, the 10th one of the oldest and important seaport of India. But the main problem here Kolkata is that it is located on the bank of river Hooghly, which deposit a lot of silt sediments every year. Because of this, the port was closed more than 2 to 3 months in an year. To solve this problem, the government of India make another port just 4 to 5 kilometers far from Kolkata. This 11th port on the coast of Bay of Bengal, the Haldia port, which reduce the pressure of Kolkata port. So the 11th one is the Haldia port. Now here is the 12th port, that is the Port Blair. These all are the major seaports of India. These all seaports connect India from Europe, Gulf countries, Africa, North America, and South America. And the eastern coast of North and South America. Similarly, all these eastern ports of India connect with Japan, the East Asian countries, Southeast Asian countries, Australia and New Zealand, western coast of North America, and the southern coast of South America. Western coast of South America. So if you see the map of India, then our situation is at the center of the world, which is a very good situation. So we are very lucky for this. But the next thing which is good for us is that we have more than 7,516.6 kilometers long coastline, but the negative point is that the whole coastline is straight coastline. So basically all these ports are man-made ports. No one is the natural port. So this is how we done waterways. So let us come to airways.